Hi everyone, welcome back with the fourth Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday, June the 13th, 2020. We are back for the fourth Sudoku. This will be a 4-star Sudoku, and I hope I will solve this within 30 minutes. Otherwise, this will be definitely a 4-star Sudoku, definitely 4 stars or a hard one. So let's get started. Alright, which number can I use? 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so in the first column. The only place for the 1 should be here. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there, but I see here 3. No 3 there, 3 should be here. In the middle row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3. No 3 there. Here 3. No 3 there. Here 3. No 3 there. Last box left should be a 3. Then and then which number can I use? How about 8, 7, and the 4 in this row, the 4 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7, and we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Three and 2. 2. Oh, I made a mistake. We have a 2 here already, so it cannot be 7 and the 2. It should be the 7 and the 8. What a mistake. I thought so. The 2, almost made the mistake. 7 and the 8. This should be an 8. Because here cannot be the 7. This should be the 8. So now we have an 8. Five missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. I see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Okay, and now okay, I think I need to mark some boxes because will be difficult. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 9, the 8. And 7 here. Let me mark some boxes because it's taking too long. No. I see here in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5. In these 2 boxes, there are 5. So no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here or could be there. So indirectly, I can know because the 5 in the third column is one of those 2 boxes. The 5 in the first column. So the second column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. So indirectly, I know there is a 5 here. That means 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So middle column, the only 2 places for 5 here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Now I cannot continue with the 5. I need to wait. But I have a pair in this big square. Look, we have a 7 here. So no 7 in these 3 boxes. There are 7. No 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. The same with the 6. Look, we have a 6 here. No 6 in those 3 boxes. And we have a 6 in the middle column. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So we have a pair, 7 and 6, 7 and a 6. In this column, we have a 7 and 6 in the middle column. So in that column, the 7 and the 6 should be also there as a pair. Wow, that means those 2 numbers in this column are the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for a 3 here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. The numbers are the 3 and the 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Digit 3. How about the 2? I see here 2 in this row, a 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for a 2 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about 1, 2, 3. Yes, the 4 in this column, the 4 in that column. So in the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in the middle column should be the numbers 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between, the only place for the 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, digit 1. How about one number left in this big square for the number 8. Then how about one 4? I need a 4. I need a 4. I need a 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. That means in the first row, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third row, so in the row above the second row, we have a 4 over there. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 4, here, here, or there. I see here 4, so no 4 there. So the 4 should be here or there. But look, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in this box. Therefore, no 4 in that box. So the 4 could be here or could be there. So in this column, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the column next, we have a 4 over there. So in the last column, the only place for the 4, because I have here marked this with a dot, the 4, the only place for the 4 should be there then. Yes. Okay. Now, yeah, fix it. We have a pair, I believe. No? Do we have a pair? No, 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 no. We do not have a pair. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7. No 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. These 2 numbers of this big square are the numbers 2 and 9. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 9 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. Then how about yeah, in this row 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. No 2 there. Here could be a 2. This cannot be a 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. Here also a 2. No 2 there. So the only place for the 2, this box. Yes. And one box left of this big square should be the 9. Yes, we have a 9. Then okay. How about the other numbers? Two, 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 two. Yes. But we no buts. 5, 5, 5, 5. Yes. And we have also 5, 5 here. 5, 5. A lot of pairs. 4. Here also a 4. Yeah, in this row, the third row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Here also a 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Now one of the 3 missing numbers is a 6. In the third row, we see here 6, no 6 there. Here also a 6, no 6 there. The only place for a 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the first row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for a 2 here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3. The 9 and the 8 are missing in this big square. I cannot fill this yet. So we have a 9 and an 8 in the first column. So 1 digit left. This should be the 6. Now we have a 6 here. So this cannot be a 6. This should be the 6. And this should be the 7. 7 in this row. 7 in the last row. So in the row between. The only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for a 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here. So this cannot be a 7. This should be a 6. And this should be the 7. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for a 6 here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then how about this missing number in the second row column is the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Yes, 4 is missing. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 box is missing in this row for the number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 missing number in this row, last row for the number 5. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 8. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be here. Two numbers missing in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, the 8 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, the 9 goes there. And the final two numbers, the 9 and the 8 in this big square, we have an 8 there, so no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 20 minutes. Yes, 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 within 30 minutes for the 4 stars. So I'm very, very, very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon for the binary puzzle, the 5th puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, June the 13th. So see you later. Thank you and bye bye for now.